How to create an AliExpress account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your AliExpress application in your mobile device. Now to create an account, firstly select your location. You can manually sign in by tapping on the email button, then manually begin with the account creation. If not, the more easier way is to continue with the Google, Facebook or Twitter. For the sake of this video, I'll be choosing Google. Once you tap on the email address that you want to associate with the AliExpress, select on the Continue button. After which, tap on Allow to every permission it seeks for. And with a simple click, you'll be able to create yourself your very own AliExpress account. If you want to manage or verify your email address, you can easily do so by checking out the account info. From here, head over to the setting gear option. Then if you want to change any of the account settings, you can do so from your settings. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.